Hey guys, Gary here with Automatic Door and Hardware, and today I thought I'd talk about a question we get a lot in relation to door closers, and that's how do I make my door easier to open? In many situations, building owners or tenants of a building will often complain that their door seems too hard to open. Um, and this is a big issue, especially in regards to the ADA compliance and ADA requirements, which states that if your door is an interior door, it should only take about no more than 5 pounds of opening force to open that door. And if it's an exterior door, it's not listed. However, common knowledge or common practice is about 8.5 pounds, no more than 8.5 pounds to open an exterior door. So with that being said, having a door that is difficult to open, and is greater than 5 pounds or 8.5 pounds, is a huge issue and needs to be addressed. So, this could be occurring because of a door sweep that maybe is rubbing, causing excess friction, or maybe the threshold is kicked up a little and is rubbing on the bottom of the door, or even your issues with your hinges or pivot system or anything like that can be factors that can make it difficult for the door to open. So you kind of need to pinpoint where is this friction, what is causing the door to be so difficult to open, and if it is the door closer device, which in many cases it actually is. Door closers themselves, if it's a good door closer, it most likely is what we call an adjustable spring door closer. And what that means is the internal high tensile spring within the door closer body can actually be adjusted to meet the requirements of different size doors. So as an example, a really large size door might have an adjustable spring in it that's adjusted for size 5, whereas a smaller door, may have the spring adjusted for size 3 or 4. So most door closers that are adjustable, the good ones are adjustable from size 1 to 6, with 1 being the lightest spring tension and size 6 being the stiffest. So if you do notice that your door closer is essentially causing the door to be very difficult to open, you'd want to look at the manufacturer's instructions and adjust that door closer spring tension to the proper size for your door. Different factors like door size, door weight can affect what type of spring tension you need. And typically on a standard door closer, the spring tension is usually adjusted on, if the door closer is rectangular shaped, you usually see an adjustment at one end of the door closer. And that can be done either with a turn dial, if it's one of the door closers that has a cover over it, or with a more common is with an Allen key, and you could tighten it to make the spring tension stiffer, or you can loosen it to lower the spring tension. However, you should always look at the manufacturer's instructions, as it will state how to properly adjust that specific door closer. So I hope that helps, guys. And with that being said, once your door closer is adjusted properly, we recommend using the Automatic Door and Hardware door open force gauge, test gauge. It's really simple to do. It allows you to essentially, once the door is in the unlatched position, so you'd want to make sure that you don't want to count the force when the door is in the latch position, because there's always going to be that initial force to unlatch the door. So once the door is in the past the latch, the steady pressure or force to push the door open can be measured, and you'll want to make sure that that is in ADA compliance. We do sell these door force gauges. I'll link them below. We also sell our own commercial door closer line, the Commando door closer. And of course, we always recommend this, mainly because unlike other door closers out on the market, we don't leave anything out. This door closer line, these door closers have all the bells and whistles that you'll need, so you won't go to a job and find that, oh no, this door closer didn't come tri-packed. I can only install this door closer in one mounting method. With ours, they're tri-packed, so you can install them in the 3 ways: standard, regular, parallel, or top jam. Not only that, is we only sell fully adjustable door closers, fully adjustable spring door closers. So when you go out to a job site or you have a door, know that our door closer can be adjusted for really any size commercial door. And they're also UL10C fire rated for fire rated door assemblies. So, we hit all the markers, and if you're in the market, we'll link them down below for you. And that's all I got today, guys. Thank you.